Hello, so it is December the 20th, 2024, and I thought I would do a little video. I've got my subtle Christmas jumper on. It's the most subtle of all my Christmas jumpers. I thought I would do, I'm not over my emetophobia, but I have made leaps and bounds of improvements, so I wanted to do a little starter video. I started the program. I got the book. I received it back in the end of February of this year. Started it February. I'd just come out of hospital after a situation around nausea and lots of other things. And it's funny because then that just to even think about that would be terrifying. And I would be terrified that I'd end up in hospital again, all because of stuff I'd done. And that's the thing, like I didn't even realise that I was doing it at the time. So it's nice to look back at it and be like, I don't have to be there again because I know how to not be there again, which is lovely. And for a little bit of context, I used to be like anti-nausea tablets every single day, going through them like they're sweets. The little buccals that I put between my gum. Yeah, I had to just have one of those in my mouth at like all times. I literally have not taken them for ages. So over this past year, I've gone from not having to take it, like taking it every day, to not having to take it at all. And there has been so many improvements, but I feel like I want to make this for the people who don't just improve really quickly. I kind of thought I would be like, I'll do the program, and I put everything, I felt everything into it for the 8 to sort of 10 weeks. Went through the manual, did all of the exercises, although I didn't do all the exercises because a lot of them I was afraid of, or I just didn't understand. Also, just from, and a lot of you will be in the same position from like a money point of view, or just even a sort of energy and want point of view, to want to go through it with a coach. And also from that control element, I really wanted to do it myself. I needed to do it myself because otherwise it felt like I'll never be able to do anything. I'll never be able to fix anything myself if I don't do this. But I have got a Thrive coach now, so obviously I waited a bit. I have had a few little one-off sessions here and there thinking that that was going to help me, but then I decided no, I need to do this for real. So I'm into week 3 with my Thrive coach, my lovely Lisa. So yeah, I'm already, and I was before would dread Christmas, absolutely dread this time of year, but I haven't been. This is the first Christmas I have been enjoying. I've kept it really simple, but I have done some really nice stuff. I'm not putting too much pressure on myself. We're staying here for Christmas. We're making it nice and easy, and that's okay. Like, you don't have to test yourself and do all of the hard bits at once. Like, it's okay not to. But yeah, I just want to let you know that even if it takes a while, like me, and it will be next end of Feb, March, it will be my 1 year since I've even knew that the Thrive program existed. There is just doing a bit of it helps a lot. Like, it changed my life and went from me literally not wanting to be on this earth anymore, really, because I was so struggling, and the pain I was going through and the fear I had was debilitating. My fear is not debilitating now. It is extremely irritating and can often be really scary and limiting. But that's what it went. It went from debilitating, life-threatening, already to I over the summer I was actually living a life. even though I still have my safety seeking behaviours, I still have the phobia and the sort of limited fear, but again, it's gone down. I know I will get there. It's just, I have a lot of limiting beliefs. I have a long time in my life, and I'm very stubborn, and that's what's holding me back. And there's so many different elements, but it's okay. I want to make this video for the people who are maybe getting to a year after and think they've put in all the work and think they've put in everything and think, that's it. I've tried it all. It's not going to work for me as well as it has for sort of other people. But that isn't the case. I know that's not the case for me. So yeah, I will update you. I'm looking forward to Christmas. Yeah, like I often will sometimes have moments where I go, normally I'd feel nauseous now, and I didn't. Like, I had that the other day, and I kind of was like, why am I not feeling nauseous? Because I'm slightly anxious, so I should be. And it's like, oh no, because I don't need to. But it's okay if I do. And then I'm like, not a big deal. And that's the thing. It's the not being terrified, and that will change your life. So yeah, Rob, we all love you, and appreciate all the time that you've put into this program. And I'm hopefully going to do you proud and get to a point where I can say, no, I will get to a point where I can say I'm emetophobia-free. But I'm okay to say I need that extra help, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop until I get there. I'm not going to accept that I'm better, but I'm not thriving, because now I know that I can live a life thriving. Of course I want that. I want better than what I thought I could have before. I want the best, and the best is thriving. So yeah, I'm ready to go get it.